created a kitchen dining room wind tunnel. Rather, a positively pressurized, ventilated area to cut down on dust. Bedroom, taped off, sealed off. Pressurized fan, plastic, pushing out of the room, sealed off. Exhaust fan. Now, the exhaust fan is set to low. The pressurizing fan is set to high. That window is open as much as it can be. This one's closed down low. Why is that? I'm glad you asked. To pressurize the area, you want the exhaust to be a smaller opening than the intake. I just added the extra exhaust fan to kind of push the dust that way. Will it work? I guess we're gonna find out. Will my neighbors call the fire department? Bunch of dust's flowing out my window? Well, we're gonna find out. Sonny's gonna get home soon. She was like panicking about all this stuff getting done. I pulled the vents out, covered them with cardboards. It's not perfect. I can't get it perfectly sealed, but it's pretty close. So yeah, let's see if it works. Decided to revamp the ventilation a little bit. Instead of having an exhaust, I just switched the two fans to both run as my pressurization, leaving only one place for the wind and dust to go. Fair amount of airflow. Everything is definitely pressurized. You can see this is pretty taut. I tried to close the window a little bit more, the exhaust window, to pressurize it additionally, and this started pulling over here. I don't quite have that secured well enough, and at this point I've taped myself into the room, so until somebody else shows up, this is what we got. This is what we're gonna work with. So I guess to the grind. Let's see what happens. So if you're thinking about grinding, dust rings imperative, take a look at this. It's thick, it's everywhere. I'm gonna wipe down the walls. Oh my God. Yesterday, before I laid the self-leveler, I was grinding down the low spots, pulling up the old self-leveler that they did. It looked like they had done the self-leveler over the old thin set, and then they self-leveled and tiled. There's a low spot in front of the tub, which is why they put the self-leveler in there. And then, of course, I guess to fill up the gaps from the thin set. It was a serious pain in the butt. After a minute, if that, of using this grinder, I could not see a foot in front of my own face. Even after it pumping in fresh air, exhausting the dirty stuff, it's tough. It's tough. So I need to get a marker in here, mark out my high spots so I knew where to grind down. And we're gonna do it again. So, we laid some self-leveler, and I think it turned out pretty good. There's a couple of high spots. I already started hitting with the scraper. That's what those dark spots are. I've got to kind of clean up this edge, clean up that edge, and there's a few high spots around the toilet here. This being a high spot. I've got to get in there with a level and check those. But look at this. Like, that's a lot of dust. A lot of dust. Oh, that drain's got to get cleaned out. Another video down, another project complete, and another outro failed to record. So, knocking it out here, we've got all the major demolition completed now, and we can really start on the construction, putting everything together, and getting it all ready to move back in. Yeah? What's over there? What's over there? So, thanks for watching. If you'd enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more content. Next, we're going to be working on our painting. Get the walls taken care of. See you then. You doing bye-bye? You doing bye-bye? Bye-bye.